Welcome to 8-Bit Gaming. The postman's given us a delivery. A brown box. Let's take a look inside. On our desk today we have an original Competition Pro joystick. It comes in its original box and the unit is in exceptional condition. Looks like it's been in the box since the 1980s. And as you can see, no signs of wear or tear. So this has not been used very much, if at all. The connector is in good condition, still tied up. All ready for some retro gaming. Tune in for the next episode as we're going to hook this up to the new retro, the Spectrum, to see if this works.